Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the XML and media align. This prevents missing assets later. Open your Alight Motion Export XML in a text editor and scan header properties for width, height, and FPS. Once done, verify each referenced file name matches the media folder exactly, including extension and case sensitivity. Make a quick copy of the XML as a working backup so you can revert. Now locate timecodes and layer ID you'll edit. These are the first actionable targets for consistent imports. Now you'll modify the XML to change timing and assets directly. Search for layer nodes and change start and end attributes to new timecodes to reposition clips quickly. This is faster than manual trimming. Next, update source path strings to point to your organized media folder. Making paths relative reduces import errors. Then tweak transform and opacity parameter blocks to refine motion and fades. Make incremental saves and test short segments in Alight Motion after each round to confirm. Finish by importing the edited XML into Alight Motion and immediately preview the composition. You'll want to scrub through the timeline to confirm all layers appear at correct times and that transforms and masking behave as expected. If you see missing media or misaligned clips, review the import log and cross-check file names and path cases. As a troubleshooting tip, revert to your backup XML, then modify and re-import one node at a time to isolate the specific error, which speeds diagnosis and preserves progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.